It starts with a simple cup of coffee, or it used to. Not so long ago, the morning ritual involved a mechanical switch and the boiling of some water. Today, for many, it involves a software update. We live in an era where smart homes have turned the basic act of living into a series of digital interactions. Fridges now have Wi Fi connectivity and internal cameras so you can check your milk levels from the office. What was wrong with just opening the door and taking a look? Toasters have touchscreens, washing machines have apps, and even the humble light bulb now requires a firmware patch to ensure that it remains compatible with your router. And this isn't just about the minor inconvenience of an error message, it's symptomatic of a broader trend, the digitisation of the mundane. We're being sold a version of the future where technology is no longer a tool we use, but an ecosystem we're forced to inhabit. And nowhere is that tension more palpable than in the world of demolition and construction equipment. For a century, the relationship between operator and machine was defined by a physical key. It was a simple, tactile contract. Today, that contract is being torn up in favour of complex launch control systems. This is technology as an intrusion. It's the removal of the physical in favour of the ethereal. And it's happening largely without our consent. We're told it's for our benefit, for safety, for security, but the underlying truth is often more cynical. For manufacturers, this digital layer is a goldmine of data and a powerful, unique selling point that justifies the price tag on a mass market product. Now, to be fair, the benefits are real. In terms of precision, these systems are staggering. An excavator that can hit a grade within millimetres on its first pass reduces fuel consumption, saves on expensive materials, and gets the job done faster. In demolition, a robot that can chew through a concrete pillar while the operator stands safely out of the drop zone is a fantastic leap forward for site safety. But a strange dichotomy has emerged. While manufacturers are busy packing cabs with intelligent software that many operators neither want nor need, they're treating essential safety hardware as a premium luxury. It's one of the great absurdities of the modern job site. You can buy a machine that maps the entire Earth's surface in real time and communicates its every mechanical heartbeat to a cloud server in South Korea. But a high-definition reversing camera or a human form detection system is often tucked away on the optional extras list. We're being force-fed productivity tech because it's a high-margin USP for the manufacturer. Meanwhile, life-saving tech is used as a bargaining chip at the point of sale. For the man or woman in the machine, the rise and rise of tech isn't just about a cluttered cab. It's about a loss of agency. Operators are a rare breed. They possess a seat-of-the-pants intuition, a way of feeling the resistance of the earth through the hydraulics, of hearing the subtle change in an engine's note before a part fails. It's a craft and a gift honed over decades. By automating every movement and surrounding the operator with a chorus of beeps, alerts, and digital interventions, we're effectively telling them that their skills are partly or fully obsolete. In our efforts to make machines more accessible to the young and the inexperienced, we're in danger of de-skilling a generation. When the machine does all the thinking, the human becomes a mere passenger. And what happens when the GPS signal drops out? What happens when a sensor fails in the middle of a critical lift? In the old days, a skilled operator could find a workaround. In the digital age, a software glitch results in a total lockout. The computer says no, and the work stops until a technician with a laptop arrives. If we're going to find a balanced path forward, we need to stop assuming that more always equals better. Sometimes you just need to dig a hole or knock down a shed without the machine trying to post on Instagram. Technology should be an aid, not an ultimatum. Whether it's a toaster that requires an internet connection or a 20-ton excavator that refuses to dig because of a software update, we're allowing the digital world to overstep its bounds. We need to come back down on the side of the operator. We need to demand that the iron remains a tool, one that's empowered by technology where it matters, but never enslaved by it. True progress isn't about how much tech we can cram into a cab. It's about how much we can trust the person sitting in it. It's time we gave the choice back to the people with the grease on their hands.